Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you a closet that I have full of material for my creations, including thrift store items that I put in here. And I want you to take a look. Once we take a look at this side, I will slide the doors this way and I will show you the other side because it is completely full of materials and items that I purchased at the thrift store and even the Dollar Tree. So let's take a look. I just organized it because you know what? It does get messy. It does get messy very often. So I often have to go in here, remove everything, put things back nicely, and make it functional. So up here I have some bins and they say people. So in here I have people. As you can see, you see some dolls in there and you see another little person in there. So that's where I keep the people. I have a tote bag here. That tote bag is full of foam pieces. Every now and then I need a perfectly cut piece of foam for some type of creation. So I know I have them in there. Then there's another fabric box there. It's a blue one. And this is full of baby pieces. Like for baby rooms, you can see a little ducky there and a package of bibs, little pink bibs. So that is where I keep the baby stuff. I even have some cardboard here for creations. Then along this rack here, I have a lot of magnets. These little balls are magnets. And I also have a bulldog clip holding a light from the Dollar Tree. I bought that light at the Dollar Tree as well as this other one and this wired pencil case also. So that gives me light inside of this closet here. I have some straws there, decorative straws, and then I have another box here of just white straws. Then I have other miscellaneous items. Some I have used and some I haven't. But I know that every time I come from the thrift store or Dollar Tree, I always make a video, so most likely you've seen these items, even if you don't remember. Then I have these two pieces here. They do light up. I still have to make some type of video using these. And then I have some frames here. This mermaid I bought at a yard sale. And I haven't made a video yet using this family here. So stay tuned for that. Then I have a whole bunch of dogs here and a fairy back there. And then I have this oval frame. So you see what I'm saying? I had to make 2 floors here by using some cardboard. This is actually a plastic container. So what I did was I used some sticks and put them across so that I could have supports to put some heavy cardboard there, and then I was able to have a few more floors, levels for my items. Now down here I have more items in between that piece of wood, and then I have the bins. The bins are just full of miscellaneous pieces, like for example, just things that I might be able to use. Those are tiles there. And I have more stuff here. These are sticks. And I have more stuff down there. In here I have more just miscellaneous stuff for my creations. So why don't we take a look at that side? Oh, and these are pineapples that I got at the Dollar Tree, and they do light up. Whoops, I just knocked something down. Look, so they do light up. Let me leave it like that so that there could be more light in this closet. And then this here that I just almost kind of knocked over, I bought this at the Dollar Tree, and it extends. So sometimes I drop something, and if I extend it, I can easily grab it, get it, like I can pull it towards me. So this comes in really handy. So why don't we take a look at that side. We'll have to slide the doors. So this is the other side. So up here I have more. This is a piece of foam. I have different colors here. These can be used as floors in my dollhouse creations. I have other things that I can use as walls. And you know, you might say that's a lot of junk, and yes, you're right. It is a lot of junk, but I make a lot of creations using junk. It's amazing what you can make out of stuff that sometimes you don't even need. I have those bunk beds there that I made a video using them. And then I have a little doll here. She's an ornament, some skates. And I also have here a set that I got from my friend Esther. This I made some settings with on Christmas in the gigantic dollhouse. And I've also used this piece for the miniature wedding. Then I have some pieces here, and I still haven't used those. Then I have these other bins just full of miscellaneous items. Then down here I have rolls of contact paper and adhesive paper. So that's it. Everything's pretty organized. I know where I have everything if I need. So this is it. So we are going to close it, and that is it. So I hope that you have enjoyed the tour of this little closet. And thank you so much for watching.